Hey everyone, today I will show you how to use Sezzle In-Store 2023. First of all, open the Sezzle app on your phone. If you don't have yet, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store and log into your account. Once you are in the app, look for the option labeled Sezzle Card or Pay In-Store. Tap on it, activate your Sezzle virtual card. Next, you will need to add the Sezzle virtual card to your mobile wallet like Apple Pay or Google Pay. Just follow the prompts to complete this step. Now, when you are at the store, simply use your mobile wallet at checkout. Tap to pay using your Sezzle virtual card and your purchase will be split into 4 easy interest-free payments. And that's it, you have successfully used Sezzle in store, making shopping more affordable and flexible. Thanks for watching.